Sir Michael.
Happy birthday ko no, Kuya May. Hindi na ko nakadungugaw eh. Tonton si
Kuya May.
Manang Tiseng, si Gloria, si Brian. Dari pa si Tangtang haros itong kalo ni
Girl Scout. Juliet.
si Joliet. Oh, kuan ni Manang Tiseng, nakakilakaw kan Joliet. Ito si Brian, bago ito si Gloria.
Nakakita na si Da.
Oh, kakitaan sa kang Gloria.
Oo.
Oh. Happy birthday ko no, Anila, pinaskohan, ipadaya mo.
Handang gitry ako, sir.
Mike, happy birthday dia. Happy birthday sa ika-40 adlaw nga tawhan na to dia. Si among amigong kinakusgang usas pinakabuutan. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health from our family. Bye, Mike.
Mikey, happy birthday! Pakanda niya miglami pohon. Ayo diha.
Hi, Tito Miko. Good morning. I am Irene Nicole Piberto Dazo, anak ni Juan. Anak ni Ryan and Nanette Bertolazzo, and apo ni Lola Winda. Juan, happy birthday. Wishing you the best and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
One more.
Oh,
One more.
okay. Hello, Kuya Mike. Happy birthday.
Bagong mata. Happy birthday, Kuya Mai. May God bless you always.
Michael James, my gwapo na cousin, happy birthday. Cheers to another year. Can't believe you're 40 years old. 40 years old, right? Just a number. More blessings to you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy the day celebrating with your family and friends. Again, happy birthday, and hope to see you soon.
Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Hello, Kuya May. Malipayong adlaw na tawhan, hinaot nga punon sa kalipay, gugma og panalangin ang imong adlaw. Magmalakposon ka unta sa tanan nimong mga damgo ug unta ang mga tuig sa umaabot pa. Greetings from Kuya Luay, me, and your mga pamangkins. Once again, happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mike.
Happy 40th birthday, Kuya. Gusto lang ako magpaabot og akong pasalamat sa imo nga kay isa ka sa mga tao nga ni tabang kay ating nga mahimutang diya sa Australia. Salamat sa pag-atiman siya ha. Salamat po sa mga higayon katong napaposibo sa mga guidance. Happy birthday, Kuya, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mike. My prayers for you on your birthday would be good health, abundant blessings, and more birthdays to come. Enjoy and have a good one.
Mike, happy 40th birthday. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day and God bless. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, my more birthday to come. God bless you always. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Mike. I just want to say thank you for showing us the beauty of Brisbane when we visited, I think 2 years ago, and for letting us taste your work food, fish and chips. It's not like a restaurant taste, but pwede na. Char, joke. So I hope you will have more birthdays to celebrate and continue to be a good father to your children. So hoping to see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mai. Happy birthday, Kuya Mai.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
How about you?
How's the kangaroo?
How's the kangaroo? Have a good time there. Have a blast on your birthday. More pictures, more pictures.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Mai. Hello, Kuya Mai. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and stay poogie always. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Mai. We love you.
Love you.
Hello, Mai. It's Ate Aling. Have a big Sarah today. You can't help getting older, can you? But you don't have to get old. My wish for you is good health always. If you are healthy, everything will come along good. With the help of our Almighty God. May you have more milestone to celebrate. Sorry we didn't make it today. But anyways, you have a blast on your special day. In behalf of Uncle Eddie and CJ, because they are both sick at the moment, we wish you happy 40th birthday, okay? Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy
Birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Uncle Mike.
Uncle Mike.
Happy 40th birthday, Maiko. Welcome to the club. Sa gingong panila, life begins at 40 daw. Naalam ko isa ka phrase nga daily na ko makalimtan nimo sa kadagan natong ipang storyaan. Katong ningon bitaw kan ako nga maayo na lang ni Uncle Page kay naatay direction. Simple ra kay siya nga phrase pero daghan kayo mga pangutana nga natubag, especially sa mga journeys o magkaagi. And I praise you for your wisdom, hard work, and dedication sa imong pamilya ug sa tanan. Nagpasalamat sad ko nang anak ko pag-umangkon nga buutan, matinabangon ug labaw sa tanan, dali mastorya. Enjoy sa imong birthday, Mike. Good health and God bless you always, and amping kanunay.
Greetings from the Golden State of California. My greetings to our birthday celebrant, Kuya Mike, on his 40th Big 40 birthday. Wish you all the best. I pray that you and the rest of the family have good health always, happiness, peace of mind, and of course success in life. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya Mike. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Bye.
Hi, Mai. Happy birthday. wish you more birthdays to come. May your days ahead be filled with love, peace, joy, happiness, and good health. Looking forward to your visit in Siargao this December. Happy birthday, Mike!
Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your troubles, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. Hi Kuya Mai, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Take care of yourself always. Enjoy! Hip hip hooray! Laong pa ni Eva. Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday!
Hi Kuya Mai, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Kuya Mike. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, and I pray that God gives you all your heart's desire, good health, and more blessings to come. Regards to Anna, Ate Angel, and Azzy. Again, happy birthday.
Mike, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. I hope malingaw ka din ha, and welcome to the club. So, 40th birthday ni Maiko, and tapos see you soon.
Go. It is your birthday, round the lay, oh lay, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the ray, oh lay. Olay. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Pa-birthday ko yung Mai. Ang among bahin. Ang among Bernardihan. Siya pa yung
Happy birthday, Kuya Mai. Wishing you all the best on your 40th birthday. Enjoy and have a great day. We will catch up with you later on in the year. We will celebrate with you then.
This piece is for you, Michael. We special from Katie.